Imagine adding an extra $1,000 to your bank account every month without leaving your house. Sounds like a dream? Not anymore. Today, I'm sharing 7 online income strategies you can start this year to make that dream a reality. Stay tuned till the end for the most surprising and profitable option. First on the list, freelance writing. Businesses and blogs are always looking for talented writers to create articles, newsletters, or website content. Platforms like Upwork and ProBlogger are excellent places to get started. If you can write compelling and engaging content, you could earn $50 to $200 per project. Imagine doing just 5 projects a month and hitting that $1,000 goal. Next is online tutoring. If you're skilled in a subject like math, science, or even a language, platforms like tutor.com and VIPKid can connect you with students worldwide. Tutoring sessions pay between $15 and $40 per hour, making it a flexible way to earn a consistent income. Third, let's talk about selling digital products. These can be anything from printable planners to fitness guides or ebooks. Once you create a product, platforms like Etsy or Gumroad allow you to sell them over and over. With just a handful of sales per week, you can easily cross the $1,000 mark. Fourth on the list is affiliate marketing. By promoting products and services you use and love, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Start by joining programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Pair this with a blog or YouTube channel and watch the commissions add up month after month. Fifth, if you're into photography or videography, you can earn by selling stock photos or footage. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay royalties every time someone downloads your work. It's a great way to turn your creative passion into a steady income stream. Sixth, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs and businesses hire VAs to handle administrative tasks, social media management, and more. Platforms like Belay or Zirtual can help you find clients willing to pay $15 to $30 an hour. And finally, one of the most lucrative options, creating an online course. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy let you share your expertise with a global audience. Whether it's graphic design, marketing, or cooking, creating a high-quality course could bring you passive income for months or even years. So there you have it, 7 ways to make $1,000 a month online. The best part? You can mix and match these methods to create even more income. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ways to make money online.